What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So it's been a while since my last post. I've been stuck in WA since about 2.5 months ago, but today we've got a pretty cool car in for you. So this is a 32 Gtr, one of the cleanest ones I have ever seen, maybe even in Australia. And this thing is absolutely nuts. So it'll be similar to my F6 video where I'll give a bit of a walk around, a bit of a few pulls in it and whatnot, and yeah, hopefully we can pick up just how nice it is in the camera, because yeah, this thing is insane. So this is painted in Midnight Purple 1 from the 33s. So it was a full open door respray excluding the engine bay, but I believe that will be getting done soon. It is on work GT5 3-piece wheels that has awesome fitment, some meaty tires on it, as you can see. We've got the Alpha Omega 350mm brakes, big brake upgrade on front and back, which all ties in so well, like the colors together, as you can see. E-spare mirrors, all color matched as well, and got the N1 headlights. So as you can see, this thing is just ridiculously clean all around. OG Zilla, perfect plates for the car, and this thing goes just as good as it looks as well. So it's got the Tome exhaust on it, and yeah, it sounds absolutely nuts. Hopefully the GoPro will pick it up from inside. I don't have my exterior mic over with me, but yeah, this thing is absolutely ridiculous. So just look at that. You can't say that isn't one of the cleanest GTRs in Australia. And that colour. So it was originally silver, and he's painted it this colour because he was telling me that like 48% of the 32s were silver, so he wanted something unique, and this colour just perfectly fits it. And yeah, it's pretty cool to be seeing such a iconic car, you know, like if you know the market value of these things, and GTRs, everything Jap at the moment, you know, it's not a car that you'll see every day, and especially not one like this. So yeah, we'll move on to a few different parts of the car and then a few pulls. And yeah, if you like and want to see more, make sure you like, comment what you think about it, and subscribe, and I'll chuck some photos up and link his Instagram in the description. But to make it nice and easy, it's his number plate, OG Zilla. So check that out on Instagram, and yeah, there's some pretty cool photos. And I can't forget the carbon fiber lip as well. So yeah, that colour is just absolutely ridiculous. So this is a good one to be able to do a video in, because it's not your typical Falcon video from the channel, and that's good. I want to branch out to a few other cars and whatnot, and what a perfect starting point. So in the bay we've got a forged RB26 Borg Warner 66mm turbo, running a Turbo Smart 50mm gate with a screamer, HSD coilovers, Kansai strut tower brace, some Fitment Industries from South Australia goodies here with the Nismo GTR, and they got some floor mats. So at the moment it's making 550 wheel horsepower at 22 psi and on 98, but it will be going E85 soon, and those numbers should get cranked up a little bit, and yeah, hopefully see some more power, which will be good. But yeah, this will be getting sprayed soon and getting a few goodies painted. I won't release the colors yet. That'll have to be a follow the Instagram and see. But yeah, this will be getting tidied up even more, and yeah, will look pretty awesome. So definitely a cool looking engine bay with the iconic RB26. That's just, yeah, pretty awesome to see. So we'll go have a look at the interior, and then I'll do a few little cinematic shots, and then yeah, put on a few pulls because I know you guys want to see them. And yeah, so definitely give this one a like, because it's not every day I'll get to do a video with something like this. So onto the interior. So for the interior, we've got some bride seats, which for a guy my size is a tight fit. A Nardi Kingston limited edition wheel, which is pretty cool. It's got the multicolored stitching, red, yellow, green. And something I did not know existed is how the lights and wipers are on the side like that, not on the wheel. This may be a well-known thing, but I did not know that was a thing, and that's my favorite part of the whole car, and I want it. How cool is that? Yeah, nice and tidy interior. Not too much to it, which is good, but yeah, just with those brides it really sets it off, which yeah, it just looks awesome. So same thing is under the hood, like I was saying, the Fitment Industries floor mats, and same in the boot as well. So nice and clean, and yeah, really just gives it that extra race car sort of vibe with those seats and the wheel. But yeah, very, very nice.
So that's a wrap for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and go show him some love on Instagram, because yeah, he's put a lot of time and money into that car. So yeah, be sure to go and show him some love, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.